Earth-like planets, the world's oldest fossils, and tourists to the moon? Those stories are coming up. Welcome to Science, Not Just a Theory, in our first weekly science news video. The format is simple. Every Thursday I will be reporting on some of the biggest science news stories of the past week. For more science news, please don't forget to subscribe. Last week, NASA announced the discovery of 7 Earth-sized planets around the star TRAPPIST-1. This is the largest number of Earth-sized planets around a single star discovered so far. 3 planets were known before, but Spitzer Space Telescope added 4 to the count. The star TRAPPIST-1 is an ultra-cool red dwarf, and all 7 planets orbit very close to the star, ranging from 1.5 to 20-day orbital periods. They are likely to be tidally locked with the star, meaning one side always faces the star. This may result in interesting climates as one side is hot while the other side is cold. After the James Webb Space Telescope is launched, a lot more may be learned about these planets. In paleontology news, Nature reported that life was thriving around hydrothermal vents 4 billion years ago. The oldest microfossils on Earth were discovered in Quebec. It's extremely difficult to determine if these remnants are of microbes, but chemical analyses have provided further evidence that suggests a life origin. Matthew Dodd, biogeochemist at University College London, explains that carbon and apatite hint at the possibility of life. However, it's possible these are non-biological. Further study will be required. This is exciting for astrobiology, as it suggested that life may have sprung from around hydrothermal vents on Europa. In manned space travel news, SpaceX CEO Elon Musk announced Monday plans to send 2 private citizens around the moon in 2018. They will be launched aboard the company's Dragon spacecraft. During a week-long trip, they will swing around the moon, achieving a maximum distance of 500,000 to 650,000 kilometers from the Earth. The spacecraft will be automated, but the passengers will be trained for emergency procedures. The launch depends on the success of NASA astronauts being ferried to the International Space Station aboard a Dragon capsule. The names of the passengers will be announced at a later date. For more science news and regular science videos, please subscribe. Likes and discussion in the comments is always welcome. For Science, Not Just a Theory, I'm JD Archer. See you next week.